What's up guys, welcome to RV Graphics. Now today I'm gonna teach you Adobe Illustrator text effects. So let's get started. First of all, click on the Photoshop. Now the program is opening. Wait some times and open the program. Now go to the file and new width 1024 pixel and height 1024 pixel, resolution 300, color mode RGB or bit 8. Now okay, first of all choose black color and command alt plus backspace. Now click on the text tool, click on the artboard, type text, control command A, choose the color white and now OK. Click on the move tool, then control T, alt or shift press on the keyboard and drag. Move the text and now enter. Go to the effects, click on the stroke, choose the red color and now reduce stroke 8's better or 7's better as you wish. You can your choice. Now OK. Right click on the text. Now click on the rasterize type. Then again right click on the text. Click on the rasterize style. And now go to the effects. Click on the blending option. Click on the stroke. Choose the color white. Okay, manage the stroke. Okay, that's better. And now okay, right click on the text, click on the rasterize layer style and now go to the effects, click on the drop shadows, choose the blend mode, click on the normal and now choose the color red color and okay. Opacity 100%, distance you should manage, this better. And now size 100, size 18, noise 16 and now okay. Ready to the text for using any banner or any texture or as you wish. So now I'd like to show cloud effects. Go to the file, new with 2000 pixel and height 1024, resolution 300 RGB, color 8 bit and now okay. Control plus. So first of all choose the black color and now okay. Then go to the filter, click on the render and now clouds. Go back to the filter, After that, render and click on the different cloud. Then Control Command F, Control Command F, Control Command F. Select, then color range. Click on the shadows and now OK. Double click on the background and now OK. Command delete. Then Control plus D and now choose the sky color. After that, OK. Create a new layer. Alt plus backspace. Then go to the normal and click on the screen. Now ready to the clouds. Right now I would like to show a new text effect in Adobe Photoshop. First of all, go to the file and now select new, click on the new, width 1024 pixel and height 1024 pixel, resolution 300, color mode RGB and 8 bit. And now OK. Choose the black color and now Alt plus backspace. Go to the text tool, click on the text tool, click on the artboard, text text type, Control Command A, choose the color white and now OK. Click on the move tool, then Control T, Alt plus Shift press on the keyboard and now drag. Move the text to manage and now enter. Control Command T, press Shift to manage this text and now enter. Go to the filter, click on the stylize and click on the wind and now OK. Click on the wind from the right and after that OK. Control Command F and now Control T, Shift press with a P to manage this text and now enter. The text effect is ready. Thank you. Bye bye guys.